Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
सर आज तो लिटरेचर नहीं करेंगे।
क्यों नहीं करेंगे?
सर आपने तो कहा था आज ग्रामर करेंगे।
ग्रामर है ही नहीं। मैं कह ही नहीं सकता हूँ, रिकॉर्डिंग देख लो। मैं ग्रामर वर्ड यूज ही नहीं कर सकता हूँ।
सर आपने राइटिंग सेक्शन के लिए
हाँ,
बोला।
राइटिंग सेक्शन कहा था वो ठीक है। ग्रामर कौन बोला?
सॉरी सर, सॉरी।
देखो तो सही, सिलेबस में है क्या? ग्रामर है क्या सिलेबस में?
नो सर।
नो सर।
फिर तो भी ग्रामर जो सिलेबस में है वो नहीं पढ़ना है, जो है वो।
सर वो एक्चुअली मैं उसको ग्रामर मतलब
तुम कुछ
कहता
भी
हूँ।
बोला, तुम्हारे कहने से थोड़ी सा ग्रामर होता है। ग्रामर इज समथिंग डिफरेंट एंड राइटिंग सेक्शन इज समथिंग डिफरेंट। ओके, टर्म्स तो सही यूज करो।
यस सर।
हाँ, फिर तुम लोग बोला
8:30 से क्लास स्टार्ट होती है क्या?
8:30 से।
ओके सर।
रोज यही टाइम रहेगा। अभी मंडे ट्यूसडे का टाइम टेबल है, उसमें तो ये टाइम लिखा है ना। बाकी आई डोंट नो, फिर टाइम टाइम चेंज होगा तो आई विल इन्फॉर्म यू। ओके, लेट अदर्स कम, अभी टाइम है। Good morning again, all of you. Still 1/3 students have come. क्लास का टाइम लेट किया तो भी आराम से आ रहे हैं सब। So yes, all of you, do you know what are the topics you have in your writing section? Yes or no?
No sir.
Very good. I've told you the syllabus, pattern of paper, everything. Then who said no, devil? How come you don't know the things? मैंने पैटर्न ऑफ पेपर बताया था ना पहले, day 1. हाँ कि ना? Or you are sleeping? You missed out the class. What happened? डरो मत, उसमें क्या है? नहीं आता तो नहीं आता। Yes, other students. Do they know what are the topics they have in the writing section? No responses. Ankit, Archasi, Himanshu, Kushika, Kumkum, Mohit, Monu, Palak, Yashraj,
Sir,
Jain.
letter writing.
Yes, sir.
कुमकुम आपकी आवाज ब्रेक होके आ रही है.
Sir, letter writing. Notice.
हाँ. और बोलो, कुछ भी बोलो आगे.
Sir, article.
और
कुछ नहीं पता है.
वेरी
In-
गुड.
एडवर्टाइजमेंट.
एडवर्टाइजमेंट और
Invitation.
इनविटेशन. क्या बच्चे हो यार. अभी तुमको पूरी सबको मिस. नॉट एवरीबॉडी नोज ऑल द टॉपिक्स. फ्लेमिंगो के टॉपिक्स तो पता है ना, विच वी हैव डन. Yes, chapter number 6, chapter number 7, chapter number 8 and chapter poem number 5 is not in the syllabus. Again मैं repeat कर देता हूँ. अगर भूले भटके शायद कभी बुक खोल दो. Again by mistake. So don't read chapter number 6, 7 and 8 from Flamingo. Okay. And Flamingo, whatever topics are there, we have finished till now. So now let's start with the writing section. Writing section, we have short compositions as well as long compositions. Short compositions are those in which the word limit is 50 words. And as per your syllabus for 2020-21 exams, 3 topics are there: notice writing, advertisement, invitation and the replies. These are the 3 topics you have. And long compositions के अंदर you have letter writing, you have article writing and report writing. Okay, so these are the 6 topics which are there in your syllabus for the writing section. In exam, in short composition, you'll have 2 questions in the exam. One question will be an option from notice and advertisement. You'll be given 2, you have to attempt any one. And the second short composition will purely be based on questions from invitations. You will get 2 invitations. You have to attempt any one. An invitation along with the replies. This is there in the topic. So you can expect one invitation, other reply to the invitation. You have to attempt any one of them. With the word limit 50. 3 marks each that question will be. So let's start straightway with the notice writing, which I know most of the students or all the students have done earlier in the school, except if the student is from ICSE board. Okay, ICSE के अंदर, I don't know, this was not taught in the syllabus. Is the screen shared everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. क्या दिख रहा है? Resonance दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो. So start with notice writing. The points which you have to keep in mind when notice writing is concerned. The points to remember. Yes. Keep a check on these points. Give an appropriate heading. That is, the cause, the reason for that invitation should be clearly specified. Mention the date, venue, and time of that event, occasion, or the function for which the notice has been put up. Add some details. Mention the contact person. In exam, the name and the designation of the person writing the notice will be given. So write the name of the person and then below it, write the designation of that person जिसने notice लिखी है. And then finally, important thing, the notice will always be written in a box. Any of the short compositions, whether it is notice, advertisement, or invitation and the replies. It will be in a box. ध्यान में रखना. I'll give an example as to how the notice has to be put up. Whenever you write a notice, एक चीज दिमाग में रखना. I told you earlier, again I'll repeat, if not, use the last page as the rough page in the exam also, the way you use for your core subjects, for calculation purpose, for the other details. Use the last page as the rough page because it's very true that when you think as well as write, if you do two things at a time, you may make mistakes. हो सकता है मेन पॉइंट भूल जाओ, फिर लास्ट में याद आवे, दिमाग की बत्ती जले, फिर उसको लास्ट में ऐड करोगे, and when the continuity is not maintained, your marks may get deducted. So use the last page of the आंसर शीट एज अ रफ पेज. भले पेंसिल से लिखो, बाद में इरेज करना आपकी मर्जी, बट कैसे भी करके उसको करो. Because the notice should have all these things. For the notice should answer the WH questions. What is the notice for? For whom is the notice? When is the occasion, event or the function? Where is it? What time is it? So all these WH questions के answers should be specified. So on the last page, you can just put a what, when, where, for whom. इस चीज को note कर लो, and when you start writing, the things will be logically in a sequence and no marks will be deducted. You will always score full marks. Now, how your notice should look in the exam. Notice always in the box. In the box, in the center, write the name of the issuing authority. And most of the time you'll get it, the name of the school, along with the city, which will be specified. Just below it, write the word notice. On the same line, on the left hand side, write the complete date. I'm repeating again, complete date. September is not SEP or SEPT. No shortcuts, no abbreviated months should be specified. Marks will be deducted. अगर आप आधे स्पेलिंग लिखोगे तो मार्क्स भी आपको आधे ही मिलेंगे. Where this date is concerned, 21st I have specified. If you want to write ST, ND, RD and so on, you can write. But write in the same line along with that number, the way I've shown you on the screen. Don't make it 21 to the power of ST. Is it clear? Very minor things, ध्यान में रखना. So DEC is not December. FEB is not February. These are our shortcuts. Keep it to yourselves. अपने rough work घर के लिए. Exam में complete should be specified. You might say DEC December. मैं बोलूँगा धोखेबाज education center. You may say FEB is February, which no dictionary specifies. I'll say FEB is फालतू education board. कुछ भी मैं भी बना सकता हूँ. So no abbreviated months and complete date. Secondly, number dates not allowed. Don't write this 21st September as, I'll just write it on the chat, in the chat box. Don't write it as 21/09/2021. This is incorrect. Okay, number dates not allowed. Am I audible and clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, सब इतने चुपचाप सुन रहे, मुझे लगा कि मेरी आवाज नहीं जा रही है. Number dates not allowed. Complete months you have to write. ठीक है? So the word notice, then the date in the same line. Just below it, again the heading, the reason why the notice has been put up. Put up attractive, catchy headlines. because notice is always meant to attract the attention of the readers. So थोड़ा हटके अच्छा सा heading लिखो. Now these three things: issuing authority, the word notice, and the heading. Preferably go for block letters. I just said preferably, not at all compulsory. ठीक है? Understood? After writing this, the body of the notice comes. Leave a line after heading. And it's not necessary. First of all, I'll keep one thing in your mind. Leaving a line or not leaving a line anywhere is no rule as such. But the things in the box should be visually attractive. So once or twice if you practice, you'll analyze from your handwriting कि कौन सा कैसा लिखने से अच्छा लगता है. So what I tell my students is, there is no need of leaving lines between these three things, that is issuing authority, the word notice, and the heading. And some other solid examples will make the things clear. After this, after the heading, leave a line. Make the matter look clear. So for whom it is, straight away start karo. So extra classes for students of class 12 who have secured less than 65 persons in the half yearly examination will be organized as the following details. Maybe in the earlier days, many of the students must have been writing in the form of a paragraph. Continuity में लिखते थे, जैसे extra classes has been organized. The date of the exam will be so and so. The exams will be held from 2 p.m. to 4 m. and the venue of the classroom will be respective classrooms. Maybe most of the students may have written in that way. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So I won't say that that is incorrect. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि वो गलत है. But advice is, go write the notice in the way I have written. Make the date, time, venue totally clear. Give ample of clarity to the person who will be checking your papers. Don't compel him to search the details in your running paragraph, because the more you compel him to search the details, the more mistakes can be caught and chances of marks being deducted for the mistakes you have made. But अगर आप इस तरीके से लिखोगे, maybe the person will check only a few things: the date of writing the notice, the date of the event, maybe venue सही लिखा है, नीचे को detail सही है, नाम सही है, तो he'll just have a glance, ऐसे ना करेगा, ऐसे नजर कर लेगा. And when you write in the form of paragraph, you will compel him and he'll have to search the details again and again. कि date कहाँ है, time क्या लिखा है, and so on. So marks mistakes होने के chances ज़्यादा पकड़ में आने के chances होते हैं. So make the things clear. And human psychology. अगर जितनी तुम उसकी गर्दन को तकलीफ दोगे, the things will be returned back to you in return. Newton's third law. तकलीफ होगी ढूंढने में, वो भी बोलेगा ले मैं भी तुझे तकलीफ देता हूँ मार्क्स कम देने में. And when you write the things clearly in this way, हाँ मार्क्स मिलेंगे, नहीं दूंगा पूरे मार्क्स, नहीं दूंगा पूरे मार्क्स. Is it understood? समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Yes. And most of the notice last में you can just add, I just use the word most of the notice. अगर आपको लगता है कि इंक्वायरी आ सकती है, for further details contact the undersigned. Leave a line after this. Write the name of the person who has put up the notice. In exam, 2 names may be given. Write the name which you like. And then just below it, without leaving a line, write the designation of person which will be given to you in the exam. This is the way the notice has to be written. Now, whenever you write a notice, think in dual perspective. Think in the angle of the person reading the notice, and think in perspective or in the angle of the person who has put up the notice. Suppose for example, the same notice वो लिख देता, Sam is the head boy. Suppose he has put up the notice. All the students of class 12 who have secured less than 65 persons are informed that extra classes will be held for them. For details, contact the undersigned. He leaves a line, writes the name Sam and then head boy. Notice complete कर देता है. Now, as you being a student, what are the queries that will come into your mind?
Date, time.
सर कब है, कितने बजे है, कौन सी क्लासरूम में है,
कौन से टीचर पढ़ा रहे हैं?
वो तो कौन पूछता है, हाँ ठीक है, पूछ सकते, ऑल दोस थिंग्स आर नॉट टू बी मेंशन. कौन टीचर पढ़ाएगा, फिर ये भी पूछोगे कैसे पढ़ाएगा, है ना, ऑनलाइन पढ़ाएगा कि ऑफलाइन, ये क्वेश्चन तो आज आ सकता है. नाउ योर मेन एग्जाम्स हैव बीन पोस्टपोन, तो दो है ना क्वेरीज पड़ी है ना दिमाग के अंदर, उन्होंने तो नोटिफिकेशन दे दिया, ओनली द एग्जाम्स हैव बीन पोस्टपोन. सो मेनी क्वेरीज आर गोइंग ऑन द माइंड ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल अलोंग विद द टीचर्स. बोर्ड का इतनी तो क्लैरिटी रख दी है, दैट अनाउंसमेंट विल बी मेड ऑन 1st of June. इतनी तो क्लैरिटी है, एंड 15 days प्रायर इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी गिवन. अगर खाली इतना ही बोल देते द बोर्ड एग्जाम 12th बोर्ड एग्जाम्स हैव बीन पोस्टपोन्ड, यस, how many queries will be there, so many uncertainties would prevail everywhere. But at least थोड़ा कुछ लिख दिया है तो एक शांति रहती है ना. एंड सपोज ये तो स्टूडेंट के माइंड में आ गया डेट टाइम वेन्यू, थिंक यू आर सेम, तो ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 12 जो नोटिस पढ़ेंगे हर एक उसके पास जाएगा, सेम भैया कब होगी, कहाँ होगी, कितने बजे होंगी, क्या लाना है, दिस एंड दैट, फीस देनी है, many sort of things. So why do we get troubled unnecessarily? So make the things easier for the students as well as for the person who has put up the notice. So these are the common things, date, time, venue. So the crowd will be filtered, the queries will be filtered, और गिनी चुनी क्वेरी आ सकती है ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन एंड सो ऑन, जैसी बहुत थोड़ी बहुत. So filter the things. Clear? So this date, time, venue, ये आपको एक आध नोटिस को छोड़ के हर नोटिस के अंदर डेट, टाइम, वेन्यू आना है. सो ऑन द लास्ट पेज स्ट्रेट वे थिंक एंड लिख लेना, हाँ डेट क्या करूं, सोच के लिखना, टाइम क्या लिखना है, वेन्यू क्या लिखना है. वन मोर थिंग, इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज अबाउट द डेट you are writing putting up for the notice. जैसे I put up 21st September. एक चीज ध्यान में रखना, it's not necessary that any date or always the date of the exam will be the date reflected in the notice. Read the question very carefully and accordingly frame the date of writing the notice. Okay? And as we come across the examples, I'll specify or highlight the things again. And this जो मैंने लिखा है date, time, venue, it is not in the center. Take it on the, don't stick it to the edge of the box, but थोड़ा सा half an inch, 1 inch के distance से from the border of the box. Write this date, time, venue. So date I've told you how to write. Coming on to time. Time should always be in AM or PM format. O'clock format not allowed. 24 hours format not allowed. The time 1400 hours to 1600 hours. ऐसे मत लिखना. It will be AM or PM. Now, tell me, which of them is correct? मैं अभी लिख रहा हूँ सामने. Which one is correct? Small or capital?
Capital.
Capital, because sir आपने screen पे capital लिखा है. Both the things which I have written in the chat box are incorrect. ha.
अच्छा डॉट नहीं है.
हाँ छोटी सी चीज है. It is an abbreviation. भले M के बाद ना reflect होगा चलेगा. It's okay. चलो understandable. But now tell me which of them is correct? First or second? Both of these or none of these? 4 choice I'm giving. A, small, A, B, C, both of these, D, none of these. Come on, quick.
None of these.
Both of these.
Who said none of these?
None of these.
अगर सुबह अपनी क्लास सुबह 8:30 को रहती है, none of these आज का बोल दिया. Suppose अपनी क्लास के लिए 8:30 को होती है सुबह. So all the students of JP, IP, JS, TCS better informed that the English classes will continue as per the following details. Date, so and so, time 8:30 AM to 10 PM. Sorry, 10 AM. तो AM कौन सा आएगा? फर्स्ट वाला या स्मॉल A.M और कैपिटल A.M? or
Second.
none of these? Capital. Anybody who says small आएगा, ये आ सकता है? कोई नहीं? Both are equally correct. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बट अगर दोनों जगह लिखते हो तो दोनों जगह एक ही, ऐसे नहीं कि 2 AM में छोटा लिख दिया, AM एंड PM के टाइम पे वो कैपिटल कर दिया. दोनों सर ने कहा था दोनों सही है तो दोनों अलग अलग लिख देते हैं. ऐसा मत करना, ठीक है? So I told you how to write the time, how to write the date. Now we'll move on to some examples. So yeah, any doubts anyone when notice is concerned?
No, sir.
सर
No,
हमको
sir.
डिफिकल्ट.
लाइन
sir.
छोड़ना ही है क्या इनके?
अबे मैंने क्या पहले ही कहा, प्लीज लाइन के लिए मुझे कोई क्वेरीज मत पूछना. I told you line, leaving a line or not leaving a line is no rule as such. It should look visually attractive and clear. That is all. अब आप आगे की नोटिस देखोगे आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि कहाँ पे छोड़ सकते हो, कहाँ पर नहीं छोड़ सकते हो. ठीक है? Your Senorita, Secretary, School Creative Society, Somani Public School, Jhansi. Write a notice for the 9th All India Poster Making Competition to be held in the school on the Children's Day. Invent essential details. When is Children's Day? देखो पहले ध्यान से पढ़ना. In this, the date will be specified. Miss, it is expected from you. Children's Day कब आता है?
14th November.
No.
14th November. All of you correct?
Yes, sir.
Now try to think what I was telling you, the date of writing the notice. आज suppose date है, suppose तो क्या है, आज 19th है. I give you this assignment. So will you write the date of putting the notice of 19th of April with the event on 14th of November? 5 महीने बाद में. 5 क्यों? 7 महीने बाद में.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Understood? Maybe even the organizer Senorita will forget कि 7 महीने बाद में कि मैंने कोई event organize किया है. So the date of writing the notice, the event will be on 14th of November, and the date of writing will be maybe a week, 4 days, 5 days, पहले from the date of the event, occasion or the function. Clear? Now, whenever you write things, date time when तो लिखोगे इसके अंदर, at least one additional point, one relevant detail will give you full marks as per that event, occasion or function. So ये poster making competition है. Now, in the perspective of the student, what common doubt can come in your mind?
कलर कौन से लाना?
Very good. This is what I expected. First, maybe the color. Second thing, important thing which comes in the mind is topic. Two important things. I don't say that you have to think everything. बच्चों को अगर बच्चे बोलते हैं सर आईडी कार्ड पहन के आना है, ये लाना है, nothing. यूनिफॉर्म में आना है कि घर के ड्रेस में आना है. Those things are secondary. The important thing जो बच्चे के दिमाग में आना चाहिए is maybe yes, the drawing material के बारे में या उसके बारे में. Query can come in the mind whether I have to make the drawing in pencil, or I have to use the color pencil, or you have to use watercolors, or you have to use poster colors, or you have to use crayons, or you have to bring a box of Asian paints with a big brush and make the poster. हो सकता है दिमाग में सब बात खुरापात आ सकती है. So try to give the answer of at least one thing to entertain less of unnecessary queries. Now I'll show the solution to you. School का नाम, notice, the date in the corner, event is on 14th, I put up 10th. Then students are invited for the 9th all in, and now see the heading. Think of some attractive, catchy title or the heading. Don't just write poster making competition. The 9th poster making competition. अब ये heading पढ़ के it will become monotonous because most of the students will write the same heading. कुछ हटके करो ना. Change the thing. Color your thoughts. Paint your views. शो योर क्रिएटिविटी या कलर योर क्रिएटिविटी। देखो एलिट्रेशन का एग्जांपल भी बन जाता है। राइट समथिंग लाइक दिस। देन स्टूडेंट्स आर इनवाइटेड to the 9th All India Poster Making Competition to be held as per the following details: date, venue, time. Now, in this I have added one more thing, topic, and I have categorized junior category and senior category. आप एग्जाम में इतना सब, if you, the things are struck to you, write it. It's not necessary कि ये सब चीज दिमाग में आवे, junior section, senior section and so on, pre-prep, जरूरी नहीं ये सब चीज हमारे दिमाग में आवे। आता है you can write, नहीं आता है forget. You can just give a common topic. Even if the topic is concerned, it might be that you might get confused. You may be confused. Should I write social level? नहीं यार, difficult हो जाएगा. Should I write child labor? नहीं यार, easy हो जाएगा. Your mind may get boggled, confused. ये करो, वो करो, ये करो, वो करो. Don't confuse yourself unnecessarily. Make things easier for you. And if you are unable to decide कि क्या topic लिखूं, आप लिखना topic और बाद में आगे लिख देना on the spot. Very simple. झंझट ही नहीं, उसी दिन टॉपिक बताएंगे तुमको। Okay with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now one more
Yes.
statement. Now more statement will be given to maintain the clarity. Drawing material will be provided by the school. लिख दो ना, अपना अपना घर का क्या जा रहा है, खर्चा होने तो स्कूल का, फीस लेते हैं, सब कुछ लेते हैं, उनका खर्चा करो। If you just say students will have to bring the drawing material, फिर again those queries will come. सर पेंसिल कलर, पोस्टर कलर या एशियन पेंट्स क्या लेके आवे? सर छोटी सी चिंदी लावे, A4 साइज लावे, पोस्टर पेपर लावे, क्या लेके आवे? Make the things very easy. छोड़ दो सीधा, drawing material provided by the school. Now if any other details, for further details contact the undersigned or contact the art teacher, इसमें लिख दिए. And then after that, the name of the person putting up the notice, Senorita, and her designation was given in the question. She the secretary, School Creative Society. Box के अंदर very nicely laid out.
सर आखिरी में साइन की जरूरत पड़ेगी?
बेटा जैसे लिखा है signature, neither notice nor invitations nor letter writing. कोई किसी की signature नहीं करेगा। स्कूल में जो भी करते थे, अगर सिग्नेचर करते थे दूसरों के नाम की मत करो, फॉर्जरी मत करो, है ना। जब अपना
Okay,
समय
sir.
आएगा, जब अपना समय आएगा, हम सिग्नेचर नहीं, हम ऑटोग्राफ देंगे दूसरों को। ओके
Okay, sir.
है ना। सो डोंट डू एनी सिग्नेचर्स एनीवेयर, लेट द थिंग्स बी द वे आई एम शोइंग. Now somebody was asking me about leaving a line or not leaving a line. Maybe the next slide will make the things very clear कि कौन सा तरीका अच्छा लगेगा. And I'll again say line छोड़ना या नहीं छोड़ना, don't ask that query again and again. It is no rule as such. It should look visually attractive. And the notice now which I'm showing you is the longest ever possible notice as per the exam. मुझे नहीं लगता कि इससे बड़ी कोई नोटिस कभी पॉसिबल हो भी सकेगी. ये दिस नोटिस के अंदर बहुत कुछ सोचना है, कोई डिटेल्स नहीं गई है, आपको सोचना है. Is the question clear?
Yes, sir.
So now, suppose you read this notice on your school notice board. No doubt जब पढ़ते हैं तो सबकी इच्छा होती है ऐसे इवेंट में जाने के लिए. सबकी होती है कि नहीं? जाने
sir.
मिले नहीं मिले, that is the second thing. पर इच्छा तो सबकी होती है. Now I'll discuss a few things before I'll show you the solution. Now suppose if you read this notice on your school, suppose this this thing is there. What are the things which should come in the mind of the student? 10 दिन की टूर है, समर वेकेशन के अंदर है, तो what are the common things which should come into your mind?
ऐसे
पैसे. अच्छा, उसके अलावा
पेरेंट्स को कैसे मनाना?
डेट,
डेट
पेरेंट्स को कैसे मनाना, वो टीचर वो नोटिस वाले नहीं बताएंगे आपको. हाँ, डेट, कब जाओगे, और
कहाँ जाएंगे,
वेरी गुड, कहाँ जाओगे, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. प्लेस आएगा, यस, और
फीस.
यस, इट इज नॉट दैट, फाइन, वेरी गुड. ये कॉमन चीजें हैं. इट्स नॉट एक्चुअली फीस, इट इज कॉल्ड एज कॉस्ट. द मेन थिंग इज कब जा रहे हैं, कहाँ जा रहे हैं, एंड कितना पैसा देना है. This is important. Yes. So this is what I was trying to tell you. Write those things on the rough page and then bring it down and start writing in your answer sheet as a solution. So there will be no cancellation at all in the things and continuity will be maintained. Now how the solution has been put up. इसके अंदर dates will play a major role. Now first see the layout. So जो asking about the date, sorry, leaving a line or not leaving a line. This is the way what I prefer my students to write the notice in the exam. Issuing authority, the word notice, नीचे heading. After that leave a line. पूरा body in running matter, कहीं leave line नहीं छोड़ी है. After the word undersigned, leave a line. And then name of the person putting the notice and then the designation. समझ आ गया? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एटलीस्ट हेडिंग के बाद तो हमेशा लाइन छोड़ना और नाम लिखो ना, द पर्सन हु इज पुटिंग द नोटिस, उसके नाम के पहले भी एक लाइन छोड़ना. एटलीस्ट डिस्टिंग्विश दिस. लेट द थिंग्स बी वेरी क्लियर फॉर द पर्सन हु इज चेकिंग द पेपर. तो दिस इज द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वे टू राइट द नोटिस. अगर आप भूले भटके और कहीं लाइन छोड़ दे तो डोंट अज्यूम, कैंसिल मत करके दोबारा लिखना कि यहाँ मेरे मार्क्स कटेंगे या वो. ये सब चीज दिमाग में मत लेके आना. आई अगेन रिपीट, leaving a line or not leaving a line is no rule as such. Now, I put up the notice on 10th of April. The date of the event I put up is 21st to 30th of May. In date also, this 10-day के tour में many students make the mistake. They'll write the date as 20th to 30th. I know 30 minus 20 is 10, but अगर आप उसको finger पे count करोगे वो 11 दिन बच जाएंगे, है ना? Who is this? कृति.
रिमूव कर दो कृति को.
कृति, आपके घर से आवाज आ रही है. If I mute then I won't be able to hear you. I don't like to mute actually. जब तक क्लास में शांति है तब तक ठीक है. Yeah, if I get unnecessary disturb now, I may mute everyone then. Okay, चलो. So डेट पे ध्यान रखना है ना. डोंट मेक इट 11 days. ऐसे नहीं कि 10 days के बाद 11th day फ्री बच्चों के लिए. I put out the notice on 10th of April. The date of the event or the tour is 21st to 30th May. And one more date will play a role. Last date 20th April. We'll work out all those things for once. ताकि in exam, if you get such type of question, you will not make mistakes. So have a cool summer. Write a different. Don't write 10 days summer 2, 10 days summer 2, 10 days summer 2. सब लिखते रहेंगे. Yes, अपना heading कुछ हटके हुए. Have a chilled summer. Enjoy summer. Yes, कुछ different लिखो. Or you can just write just chill. लिखो ऐसा कुछ different. Attract करो readers को. Then the school club is organizing an educational tour for students of class 8 to 12 during the summer holidays as follows. Date लिख दो. Place अपने हिसाब से जो दिमाग में आता है लिख दो. Cost logical, practical, substantial one. 5,000 per student. ठीक है, कम है but ठीक है, चलो बाकी स्कूल बेयर कर रहा है. Now interested students can contact the undersigned and deposit the tour cost along with parents permission letter by 20th of April. Yes, इसके बाद many of the students might have details. Now most of the details are filtered out. For further details contact the undersigned because उसके बाद details हो सकती है जिसको जाना होगा कैसे जाएंगे, ट्रेन से जाएंगे, बस से जाएंगे या रेलवे ट्रैक्स पे चलते चलते जय माता दी करते हो आप पैदल ले चलोगे. Yes, all those things later on. For more details contact the undersigned. Leave a line, the person putting up the notice and then the designation. So is this notice clear now? Short and sweet के अंदर main चीज आ गई है.
Yes, sir.
Because now
Yes,
now the crowd will be filtered. If those things are not mentioned, if the notice is put up by Jenny that all the students are informed that the school will take a tour during the summer holidays for 10 days. For details, contact the undersigned. तो हर एक बंदा या बंदी पूछने जाएगा जेनी को परेशान हो जाएगी, कब जाएंगे, कहाँ जाएंगे, कितने पैसे देने हैं, कैसे देने हैं, कब तक देने हैं, ऑल दोज थिंग्स. तो फिल्टर द क्राउड. नाउ ओनली दोज हु आर फाइनली इंटरेस्टेड या दोज हु हैव बीन परमिटेड बाय द पेरेंट्स, वे आएंगे आपके पास. Now, initially I told you notice should be thought in dual perspective, in the perspective of the student as well in the perspective of the teacher, of the organizer. Now, in the perspective of the organizer, they should also have substantial time. तो ऐसे नहीं कि 21st को लेके जा रहे हो, 21st मई को, तो आप लिख दो 15th मई को नोटिस लिखो एंड लास्ट डेट, या तो भूल जाओ या लिखो भी तो आप लिख दो लास्ट डेट टू डिपॉजिट द टूर कॉस्ट इज 20th मई. 20th मई को तो बच्चों के रिस्पॉन्सेज आएंगे, तो टूर लेके जा रहे हो 21st मई को, ये वन डे पिकनिक नहीं है कि स्कूल बस में बैठा के ले जाएंगे. गिव सम टाइम फॉर द स्कूल टू मेक प्रिपरेशंस एंड सम टाइम टू द स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो टू कन्विंस देयर पेरेंट्स. मार्जिन चाहिए कि नहीं दोनों चीज के लिए. हेंस अ गैप ऑफ अराउंड 40 to 50 days. लॉजिकली 2 महीना भी रखो चलेगा, from the date of the event to the date of putting up the notice. So notice has been put up on 10th of April and 21st May, that is around 40-45 days ka margin I put up for the occasion. Now क्यों इतना margin रखा है? And last date I kept it as 20th of April. We'll work out this once. Practically work out करते you also will agree with it. The exam you won't make any such mistakes. And I'll tell you this is the longest ever possible notice. Suppose the notice is put up on your school notice board. Assume करते हैं कि स्कूल चल रही थी, आप स्कूल जाते भी थे और ये नोटिस आपके स्कूल में लगी है. First of all, it's not necessary that all the students read the notice on the same day. तो एक आध दिन तो मुश्किल ही लगता है कि बच्चा आज नहीं, चलो अगले दिन पढ़ी होगी. Now, when a student reads such notice, इच्छा सबकी होती है कि जाने की? Yes or no? Yes. This you have replied earlier. Now tell me very frankly, दिल से बोलना, दिमाग से नहीं. With whom will you discuss first? Tell me very frankly.
Friends.
Friends.
Very good. A very, very frank opinion. I like my students. Yes. First, सबसे पहले फ्रेंड से डिस्कस करोगे, क्योंकि हर एक दोस्त डैश होता है. हर एक दोस्त जरूरी होता है. Don't have any other adjectives in your mind, please. है ना? हर एक दोस्त जरूरी होता है. हाँ, पहले फ्रेंड से डिस्कस करेंगे. यस, देखो घर पे डिस्कस करने के पहले यू नीड सम बैकअप ना, कि 8-10 नाम लेके चलो तो घर वालों को कन्विंस करना इजी हो जाएगा. सो 1 or 2 days you'll discuss or mingle amongst your friends. आप थोड़ा से नाम जमा हो गए, चल मैं भी पूछता हूँ, चला मुझे भी जाना, मैं भी पटाता हूँ घर वालों को. एंड सो ऑन. नाउ यू गो होम अ बिट प्रिपेयर्ड. यस, वेल, चलो अब करते हैं घर. एंड यू विल ट्राई टू कन्विंस द वन whom you can convince easily. And it changes from mummy parent to parent. Some student can convince, कोई अपने पापा को जल्दी पटा सकता है, कोई अपनी मम्मी को जल्दी मना सकता है. Changes from students to word to word. ये सबका अलग अलग रहता है ना. इसमें ऐसे नहीं कोई हो सकता है, कोई किसी के पापा जल्दी मान सकते हैं, मम्मी हमेशा नहीं, या वाइस वर्सा हो सकता है. दोनों में से एक तो होते ही है ऐसे भी. चलो स्ट्रिक्ट रहना पड़ता है. दिस इज लाइफ. So yes, now you go and ask the one whom you can convince easily. Universal answer आपको मिलेगा क्या? Big no. No, no. I don't think, I doubt कि any parent ऐसा कोई होगा. अच्छा क्या बात है, 10 दिन के लिए जा रहे हो? अच्छा जा जा जा, घर में शांति रहेगी, जा तू जा. Yes, बहुत very rare मिलेंगे ऐसे. Yes, तो first answer will be no. बच्चे भी कम नहीं होते आजकल के. नौटंकी शुरू. खाना नहीं खाना, बात नहीं करना, टीवी नहीं देखूंगा, स्कूल नहीं जाऊंगी या जाऊंगा, होमवर्क नहीं करना, this and that. All tantrums, all nautanki started by the child. 1 or 2 days this nautanki continues. And then yes, the first parent जो था that convinces, that gets convinced. चलो अगर मम्मी को मना लिया, मम्मी बोलते चलो पापा को पटाते हैं तेरे चक्कर में. Now दोनों जाएंगे. मम्मी पापा को बोलेगी, तुम्हारे पापा को, कि बच्चे की स्कूल में टूर है, जाने देते हैं इसको. First answer which you'll hear is तुम्ही ने सर पर बिगाड़ के बैठा के सर पर बिगाड़ इसको बिगाड़ कर रखा हुआ है। अगर बच्चा बेचारा 8th में होगा तो बोलेंगे 2 साल बाद बोर्ड है 10th, 9th में होगा तो बोलेंगे अगला साल है, 10th में होगा तो थप्पड़ एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो। हाँ कि ना, आई एम बीइंग वेरी प्रैक्टिकल। यस यस। देन सपोज अपने मम्मी को मना लिया है, पहले मम्मी आगे गए, फिर धीरे धीरे देर कन्विंसिंग स्टार्ट्स। जाने दो ना बेचारा, कब जाएगा, फिर आईआईटी में चला जाएगा या डॉक्टर बन जाएगा, 5-6 साल दोस्तों के संग जा नहीं पाएगा, ये 1-2 साल है, कब थोड़ा एंजॉय कर लें, तो बाद में तो बेचारे पढ़ाई का मारा है, दिस एंड दैट एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, दे ट्राई टू कन्विंस इन द बेस्ट ऑफ द वे। चलो
सर
एक
हम
दो
10 दिन में पढ़ क्या लेंगे?
क्या
सर हम 10 दिन में क्या पढ़ लेंगे ऐसा जो बोर्ड हो जाएगा हमारा क्लियर, पूरे साल नहीं पढ़े तो?
पेरेंट्स को कौन समझाए? बात तो पेरेंट्स को समझाने की है ना।
यस सर।
बात तो मैं पेरेंट्स को समझाने में, आपके पढ़ाई की बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आपको तो जाना है, मैं आपकी तो बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो आपके पेरेंट्स की बात कर रहा हूँ, नॉट आपके, मैं एवरी पेरेंट की बात कर रहा हूँ कि पेरेंट्स, तुम तो 10 दिन की बात करो, पेरेंट्स तो 2-2 4-4 साल, 7th में को तो बोलेगा 3 साल बहुत है, कहीं नहीं जाएगा, चल पढ़ाई कर, 8th में को तो 2 साल बाद पढ़ाई कर। होता है कि नहीं होता है? दिस इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डिस्कस, आई एम ट्राइंग टू वर्क आउट द डेट, क्यों मैंने इतना मार्जिन लिखा है, क्यों किया है। चलो 1-2 दिन में, नाउ द सेकंड पेरेंट, अपना जो भी दोनों पेरेंट्स मान गए, नाउ दे विल कॉल यू, बेटा कब जा रहे हैं, आपको तारीख पता नहीं हुई, कहाँ जा रहे हैं, जगह पता नहीं है, कितने पैसे देने वो भी नहीं पता, तो थप्पड़ पड़ेगा जवाब के बदले। So now you tell, okay. Then we'll give maybe 1 or 2 days time for the preparation of, for the arrangement of money. ऐसे नहीं कि each and every parent ले ATM जा निकाल के लिया, 1-2 दिन 2-3 दिन हम पेरेंट्स को अरेंजमेंट पैसा करने का देते हैं, बोले छोटा अमाउंट है या बड़ा अमाउंट है उसकी बात नहीं करते, दिस टर्म इज रिलेटिव। Therefore 10th अप्रैल को लगी है, 20th अप्रैल द स्कूल वांट्स the names of the students along with the tour cost. It's not that the names से चलेगा, ऐसे स्कूल नहीं लिखेगा, those who interested give their names by 10th of April, 20th of April। नाम देने में तो नाम तो सब दे देंगे, स्कूल को दाम से मतलब है, नाम तो दे दिया और नहीं गए तो क्या कर लेगा, स्कूल का टिकट अपनी जेब में डालेगी बेचारी। Yes, so around 10 days I have given for the students to take the decision, convince the parents and get the money deposited. Is it understood now? And 1 month from here, 20th April से 21st May तक around 1 month, around 1 month, 30-35 days, 40 days तक you can give time for the school to make the preparations. So I hope you have clearly understood the margin in the date, the logical difference which should be there in the dates which I have shown to you on this notice. समझ आ गया? ऐसे नहीं कि 40 होना चाहिए, आप कर दो 50 चलेगा, 35-38 कर दो, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट ऐसे सब्सटेंशियल मार्जिन रखो, लगना चाहिए कि यस यू हैव थॉट अबाउट इट। ऐसे नहीं कि 20 अपना 10th ऑफ मे को लगा रहे हो एंड 21st को टूर लेके जा रहे हो, 10 डेज का डिफरेंस है एंड देन नो मार्जिन फॉर द पेरेंट्स टू गेट कन्विंस्ड, सो द थिंग्स लुक सिस्टमैटिक। एंड नाउ द अदर थिंग्स, बच्चे पूछते हैं सर about journey, train, do's and don'ts, that is not required to be mentioned to everyone. Now that will be given in the form of itinerary to the student. Those who come and deposit and those who come to us, they will be shown the itinerary कि day 1 ऐसे करेंगे या हम ऐसे जाएंगे, फिर यहाँ रुकेंगे, then day 2 this will be the activity and so on. Those things are something different, but primary things are these which have to be specified. In this, the word venue, don't use venue, is something inside, तो प्लेस लिखा है, इसके अंदर टाइम नहीं आएगा, ऐसे नहीं कि 8 AM to 8 PM, बाद में क्या घर आ जाओगे फिर वापस जाओगे। एंड देन द कॉस्ट, दिस इज द ओनली नोटिस व्हिच आई फील in which the terms change, date, place, cost. Rest all the notices will always have date, time, venue. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more. You are Deepika oblique Ranveer, सही है जोड़ी?
Yes, sir.
As students, as president of the Students' Council of St. Peter's Senior School, Pune, you have invited a visiting Brazilian troupe to give a performance in your school on the occasion of its annual Golden Jubilee celebration. Write a notice in about 50 words informing the students about this event. So Deepika or Ranveer, they are the president of the school's council. Troupe is a group of performers. One word is troop, T-R-O-O-P. Troop is a group of soldiers, and troupe is a group of performers. Okay. So now you have to just inform the students. Very simple notice. See the layout again, the same way which I showed earlier. St. Peter Senior Secondary School, Pune. Notice. In this, there 40-45 days का जरूरत नहीं है. Even a week's gap is okay. ये 5th भी ज्यादा है, मैं 15 का. Just give me a minute. January, the thing has been put up. Visiting Brazilian troupe visit. या enjoy the Brazilian dance. कुछ भी ऐसा लिखना लिखो अच्छे से. Yes. Leave a line. On the occasion of the Golden Jubilee celebration of a school, a visiting Brazilian samba troupe will give its performance. Date 25th January. Time 5 PM onwards. Venue school auditorium. Classes किसके लिए लिखा है ये? बच्चों को नहीं, छोटे को नहीं ले रहा है. Class 8 to 12th. I just added. It's not कि हम लिखो. Yes. Then entry by invitation cards only. This is the additional information I put up. Contact the undersigned for invitation cards. Leave a line. 2 names will be given. Write the name which you like. I like the name, so I put up Deepika, and below it the designation of the person who has put up the thing. So don't write President, Students Council of St. Peter Senior Secondary School. उस चीज को ऐसा हाईलाइट मत करना. स्कूल नोटिस बोर्ड पे लिखा हुआ है, इशिंग अथॉरिटी इज द नोटिस. सो जस्ट राइट प्रेसिडेंट स्टूडेंट्स काउंसिल. This is how the things are to be written. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So one last I'll show you where notice is concerned. Your Semi Simran, the head boy or girl of St. Joseph School, Dehradun. The school is conducting a debate competition to select the school team for inter-school competition. Draft a notice to inform the students. Now in this, I changed the way of writing the notice to make you analyze and realize that according to you, what will be the better way of putting the notice. And in this, the solution I put up in the form of a paragraph. This is just to make you understand and realize why I was specifying something in the beginning when I started notice as to how we should go for. An inter-class debate competition will be held in the school to select the school team on 24th December in the school auditorium for students of class 7th onwards. Topics will be announced on the spot. 4 members per class are to be selected. Those interested can give their names to the undersigned before date लिख दी है. Leave a line, Simran and head girl. Now, this also is a correct way of writing the notice. But now just you try to assume. You try to be in the shoes of the copy checker. आप सोचो कि आप copy check कर रहे हो. 3 students have written the earlier one format and 2 students write this way. Which was easier for you to check? The earlier one or this one? It is you to decide. है ना? So therefore I'll repeat again. Both of them are equally correct. ऐसे नहीं कि marks cut हो जाएंगे इसके अंदर. But I told you, when you compel the person to read the things and search the details, there are chances that he may be able to search more mistakes also. So in this type of writing, the chances are there that your mistakes can be overlooked. Sorry, your mistakes can be looked over. नजर में आ सकती है. But in the other way, earlier way, the mistakes can be overlooked. So looked over and overlooked दोनों opposite word जाते हैं. सोच लो आपको कौन सा तरीका सही लगता है. Is it okay with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
है ना?
sir.
अच्छा, one more thing. And डेट सोच समझ के लिखना आप लोग प्लीज, है ना? डोंट राइट द करंट डेट ऑलवेज. Now in the earlier ones, I was expecting a question from my students in the first slide itself related to the term date.
Double cross.
Yes. Now, अभी किसी ने नजर किया या ठीक है? You might have noticed earlier. You might be hesitant कि पूछे कि ना पूछे. In the exam, should you write the double cross or should you write 21? आप 21 में appear करोगे and so on. What should you do?
सर 21.
21. मैं ये नहीं बोलता कि 21 गलत है, मैं मानता हूँ, अग्री करता हूँ. Now, I'd like to discuss one thing. Suppose in your exam, hopefully in the month of June, we don't know when, hopefully करते हैं in the month of June, चलो assume करते हैं. Let, comma, if possible, the board exam is scheduled on 15th or 16th of June, है ना? Assume करते हैं. You get a question in the exam that the Republic Day celebrations are going to be held in the school. Draft a notice to inform the students. You are the head boy of the school. Suppose ये notice आती है. Okay? सुन लिया question? Republic Day celebration.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes,
date of
sir.
the date of the event will be
15th August.
थप्पड़ मारो.
26 जनवरी.
अब जिसने
26
बोला
जनवरी.
थप्पड़ मारो अपने आप को प्लीज, छोटा सा.
सर आवाज कट कट के आ रही है.
किसकी आवाज कट कट के आ रही है? मुझे गलत डेट, मेरी आवाज क्लियर आ रही है शायद सबको. आई होप
यस
थिंक.
सर.
हाँ, जिसको
Yes,
कट कट
sir, मेरे को तो सही आ रही है.
जिसको कट कट के आ रही है अपना नेटवर्क चेक कर लो प्लीज, है ना? आई एम एबल टू हियर आल्सो क्लियरली एंड वन स्टूडेंट टोल्ड मी 15th अगस्त. प्लीज, मेरा भारत महान, है ना? ये डेज तो याद रखो. नाउ द इवेंट, द डेट इसके अंदर आ जाएगा 26 जनवरी. टाइम जो भी लिखोगे, एंड शाम का टाइम मत लिखना. यस, ऑलवेज द फ्लैग होस्टिंग इज देयर इन द मॉर्निंग एंड सो ऑन. सो 7:30 या 7 AM ऑनवर्ड्स या 8 AM ऑनवर्ड्स जो भी लिखोगे, वेन्यू, स्कूल, प्लेग्राउंड, वो सब लिख दोगे. चलो, what should be the date of writing the notice? Will you write the date of June, the date of putting up the exam?
No, sir.
No, sir. You'll write the date somewhere of January, maybe 20th January,
20th
18th
January.
January, 20th January, 18th January, मतलब 15th January, कोई problem नहीं, चलेगा.
Yes, sir.
Now coming on to the year. Year कौन सा लिखोगे आप? Think and reply. You are appearing.
2020.
You are writing this exam in the month of June 2021. Try to think.
2020.
यानी 6 महीने 2020, 1.5 साल पहले
22.
21 में हो. जनवरी 2020 क्यों भैया या बहना? Why 2020? इतना अच्छा लगा था क्या? इतना बुरा साल गया सबका, इतना अच्छा लगा था कि वही याद आ रहा है. Try to think. This is the reason. Try to think logically. क्या लिखोगे? 2020 तो वैसे भी थोड़ा गलत सा ज्यादा ही लगता है, 1.5 साल पुराना मत जाओ. 21 बोलते तो शायद मुझे समझ में आता. तो suppose you are writing this notice on 15th of January. So will you put up 15th January 2021 या 2022? सोचो. कंफ्यूजन शुरू हो गया?
22. Yes, sir. Confusion started.
कंफ्यूजन स्टार्टेड. जो 22 बोल रहा है वो स्टिल कंफ्यूज होगा यार. 22 को तो अभी 6-7 महीने बाकी हैं.
Yes, sir.
21.
Yes.
21 टाइम मशीन में बैठ के जाना पड़ेगा उस फंक्शन में. 5 महीने बीत चुके हैं. So this confusion always arises, and such type of confusions may be a time the examiner deliberately give to the students. If you get confused, don't confuse yourself, please. Pass on that confusion. And I replace that either 20 है, 21 है, 22 है, vision 2025 है, कुछ भी होने दो. I replace it with cross cross and let the value of x be decided by the examiner. तेरा तुझको अर्पण, उसने अपने को परेशान किया है. भाई परेशान मैं होता ही नहीं हूँ. तेरा तुझको अर्पण क्या लागे मेरा, ले जा वापस. यू डिसाइड. आप जो डिसाइड करोगे सही है. इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Perfect. So now wherever in all the good reference books, including our resonance का English module, wherever dates are concerned, whether it is notice, whether it is report writing, whether it is article writing, or whether it is related to advertisement, you'll always find this cross in the dates, sorry, in the years, except one place, and that I'll emphasize when I come to that particular part. So I don't say this आपको यही लिखना है. अगर straight forward, simple, without getting confused, or able to write the things, write it. Suppose you are preparing for the exam in June, कुछ जून जुलाई का इंसिडेंट आ रहा है या उसके अंदर डेट ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक नहीं है, आप कर सकते हो जून में फंक्शन कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम की बात नहीं है. So don't confuse yourself unnecessarily and keep on cancelling. मालूम पड़ा 2021 लिखा, बगल में नजर गई उसने 22 लिखा है तो तुम भी कैंसिल करके 22 करो. ये सब काम मत करना प्लीज. Is it okay with all of you now?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So this is all where our notice part is concerned. क्या हो गया, हैंग हो गई? This I have shown you earlier. You can take 1 or 2 notice for practice. ये जाने दो, this is not for you. ये बच्चों के लिए. I discussed all the things. And last time I'm not discussing because sorry. You can take this. Go through it. Your school is holding a summer camp for training students. Yes, suppose it would have been winter camp. So can you write the date of June? Can you write the date of June, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Got the point. Yes, just hold on 1 minute. What happened? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
अरे इमेज कहाँ चली गई? सॉरी, इसको जाने दो, ये आपको नहीं दिखा रहा हूँ. You can take one more question if you feel like. नहीं, not this one. Take down this question if you want. You can practice. Have you done the needful? Yes, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So try to practice these 2 notice if you get time. So things will be clear. And as per your handwriting, yes, try different formats, line छोड़ के paragraph form में अलग-अलग तरीके देखना which way looks better as per the individual's handwriting. And then the most attractive type, put it up in your exams. Very clear. Just hold on, please. So this was something regarding our notice writing. So I have noticed is very clear with all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, yes, okay, Devil, thank you. Now, along with notice, in exam you'll get an option, a question based on advertisement. Now we'll take up that topic, advertisement. I know I will not be able to complete, but we still have nearly half an hour. So we'll start with advertisements. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Let me share it. Is the screen shared?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Start with advertisement. Okay. What is advertisement?
Ad.
प्रचार
Prachar.
Charge.
Prachar. Okay. There are two types of advertisements. One is the display advertisements. जो बड़ी बड़ी आती है पेपरों के अंदर हम देखते हैं, half page, full page, 1/4 page and so on. That is not in our syllabus. In our syllabus, we have only advertisement for the classified columns. वो जो चिंटू चिंटू से ad आती है, that one. And various categories are there in that. Starts with situation vacant. That is, a person is looking for a job. Sorry, our organization has some vacancy. It will be situation vacant. Then it will be situation wanted. That is, a person is searching a job. So he'll advertise about himself or herself in the newspaper. That is situation wanted. Then you have other things, house for sale, house for purchase, house on rent. That is to let column. Then vehicles for sale. This is also in our syllabus. Then lost and found. कुछ खो गया है या पाया है, कुछ आपने मिला है आपको, you put up the advertisement. Missing persons, लापतागंज, missing pet. And then one more thing is, that is matrimonial, शादी हेतु. So everything, all these topics, right from the job related thing till the settlement of your life, that is marriage, all the topics are there in a syllabus. In other words, नौकरी से लेके छोकरी तक सब एडवर्टीजमेंट्स आपके सिलेबस में. And the first one we'll start is situation vacant. What is situation vacant? Whenever there is a vacancy in an organization, they put up advertisement in need of an employee or a staff. That is situation vacant column. Whenever I write this advertisement should always be short and sweet. Minimum words, maximum information. ये चीज दिमाग में रखना. So for minimum words, it's not necessary that you use complete sentences. The meaning should be understood, but it's not necessary that you write complete sentences. This is to inform you that ABC school needs a teacher to teach English. Yes, सब नहीं. Yes, short sentences. Don't go for grammatical correctness. वैसे भी many students don't go into grammatical correctness matter. तो इसके अंदर तो मत जाना. And short and sweet sentences. Don't repeat the things unnecessarily. And the word limit is 5050. And suppose with maximum information, minimum words, you are able to write the advertisement in somewhere around 35-40 words. Finish it off. कोई जबरदस्ती उसको overstretch करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now, when it comes to the first type of advertisement, situation vacant, the points to be kept in mind is begin with wanted or required. Required looks to be a better term. Post a number of vacancies. Age and gender of the candidate. If your gender specify whether you want a male or a female and so on regarding the particular job, you can specify it. Qualification, experience of the candidate. Name of the firm where this vacancy is there. Pay scale and perks related to salary. Perks is not chocolate. Perks is some the other benefits which you give along with the salary. Maybe house allowance, medical allowance, travel allowance. They are called as perks. The other benefits. Mode of applying. कैसे apply करना है? Do you have to go straight way for the interview, or you have to send your details? या telephonic interview रहेगा? Highlight that. And the contact address and person you have to specify. So these are the points you have to keep in mind where the situation vacant advertisement is concerned. A very important type of advertisement. We take a short example. The things will be easy. MIT International School, Delhi needs a secretary to the principal. The admin department drafts a classified ad for a classified column of a local daily. Local daily is local newspaper. The name of the newspaper is not highlighted. Write the advertisement. So now on the rough page, start jotting out the things which you will look the requisites of this candidate. That what should be the education, what should be the experience, if any gender आपको चाहिए, age limit लगती है क्या इसके अंदर, या any age, even the retired person will work as a secretary to the principal, looks illogical. So start thinking about those points, jot it down on the rough page and then bring forward into the final solution. And what are the points you should, this is the way the solution should look. Make a rectangular block. Use at least 50 to 60% of your page size. At least 3-4 लाइन के 2-3 लाइन के अंदर तो नोटिस अपने आपको एडवर्टाइजमेंट आवे. Inside the box, the heading under which this advertisement will be reflected in the newspaper, वो heading आपको लिखनी है. So in exam they may give you the name of the heading, they may not give you the name of the heading. So you'll have to remember these 1 or 2 headings. बाकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स के अंदर 1-2 ही याद रखनी है, बाकी the other advertisement the things will follow from the question itself. So whenever there is a vacancy in a organization, it will be situation vacant. So make a rectangular box and in the center write the heading. Preferably block letters, not compulsory. For clarity purpose, for attractiveness purpose, after the heading, leave a line. I'll repeat again, leave a line and then start writing in one paragraph. Continue to likhna, don't leave lines or spaces for the addresses, for the contact numbers and so on. Required. Again, this required are used in capital letters, not at all compulsory. Required secretary F25. Over here I am saving words. This F means female and 25 is the age. It's not necessary आप हमेशा ऐसा लिखो, but I use those words rather than writing required a female secretary around 25 years age. Rather than putting up these words, I've saved the words, मैंने आगे details में use किए हैं, therefore secretary F25. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Postgraduate. Postgraduate means the master's degree. MA, MCom या MSc. जिसमें M लग जाता है, that is postgraduate. Postgraduate. Possessing good correspondence skills. Command over English. Pleasing personality. Working knowledge of computers essential. The term salary should be reflected in the advertisement. Salary term आना चाहिए. If you are stubborn enough, you want to give a fixed salary to the candidate, salary amount लिख दो. Request, stay away from it. Use the terms attractive salary. Salary term आना चाहिए. तो in this I will use salary best in the industry. आपको words बचाना, you can just put up attractive salary. One another term you can use is salary as per experience. Either of these terms you can use. Now how to apply? Apply with complete biodata within 10 days. 2. Admin officer, MIT International School, New Delhi. And The contact number has been put up. Where this contact number is there, concern, don't write the complete phone number, please. Whether your phone number or
Yes,
any
sir.
whether your phone number or any fictitious phone number. ना ही अपना नंबर, ना अपने दोस्तों का नंबर, ना ही अपने पड़ोसी का नंबर, ना ही अपने पड़ोसन का नंबर, किसी का भी नंबर इसके अंदर लिखना नहीं है. Use 5-6 digits and then wind it up with crosses and zeros the way I have shown you. In this, you can save the words. You can also use the email IDs to make the thing look realistic, which I've used in the other advertisement. So इसके अंदर also where school related things are there, it will look realistic if you just create the email ID that send your details to admin officer at and then email ID school की create कर सकते हो. So different ways in which you can send the way of applying. Everything is your discretion. Nothing will be specified in the exam. So I hope this first advertisement is clear with all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely.
Very good. I'll show you a couple of more situation vacant because this is very important one. क्या हो गया? You are John, not Abraham, only John. You are John running a cyber cafe in Vaishali Nagar, Jaipur. Give a suitable ad for a DTP operator in situation vacant column of Rajasthan Patrika, offering attractive remuneration. Remuneration is salary. In the earlier paper, in the earlier advertisement, the name of the newspaper was not specified. The name of the column was not specified. But we know that column will always be situation vacant where job related things are there for vacancy. Now, in this, the name of the paper has been specified. Where will you write the name of the newspaper?
Nowhere.
Nowhere. Whether the name of the paper is given or not given. The earlier advertisement also came in one of the newspapers. पेपर का नाम था जो भी हो पहली एड का. Advertisement was inside. So here also paper, this advertisement will be printed or published in Rajasthan Patrika. But the term Rajasthan Patrika will is not necessary that you specify anywhere. Secondly, now what is DTP operator? Those students have done this thing earlier, they'll tell me very quickly.
Desktop publication.
It is nothing to do with your DPP, daily practice papers. ये यहाँ पे DTP becomes daily tiring problems. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. DTP is those persons who print your DPPs, desktop publication, or simple words, computer operator. घुमा के क्वेश्चन पूछा हुआ है. How the solution can be put up. Situation vacant. Required immediately experienced. Graduate, smart, hardworking. In this I have not put up M28 or something. I had ample of words. Matter कम था तो मैंने उसको कर लिया है. Male candidate around 28 years to work as DTP operator in privately managed cyber cafe in Jaipur. Internet friendly. Knowledge of MS. Requirements लिखोगे कि क्या क्या चाहिए आना चाहिए उसको. Internet friendly होना चाहिए. Plus knowledge of MS Office, PageMaker and CorelDRAW must. These are the different softwares. Attractive remuneration. Contact John Anand. He has put up his address. He has put up his contact number. That is all. This is the way the advertisement should be written. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kumkum, Hardik, everyone. One more advertisement.
So,
You are
sir,
the prince-
DTP का क्या मतलब था?
Desktop publication.
अच्छा, thank you, sir.
Okay. It is nothing to do with data transfer protocol. है ना? उससे कोई relation नहीं है उसका. Next, you are the principal of Sharma Public School, Udaipur. You need a teacher to teach mathematics to students of classes 11th and 12th. Draft a suitable ad for the classified columns of a newspaper. So what will be the heading?
Situation vacant.
Oh, situation vacant. Now wanted या required है ना, required थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. Required young, dynamic, well qualified, 6 years experienced lady teacher, around 35 years. Result oriented, fluent in English. To teach mathematics to classes 11th and 12th. What qualifications should the teacher have? MSc Mathematics. B.Ed. Yes. Now B.Ed, I'll tell you, this will help you in our job applications also. B.Ed becomes a compulsory degree for school teachers. School teachers अगर जाते हैं स्कूल में जॉब करने के लिए टीचर्स को चाहिए, then this B.Ed, Bachelor in Education, this is the form. एक डिग्री होती है. तो लिखो अच्छा लगे that you know things. है ना? अगर भूल गए एग्जाम में कंफ्यूज हो गए बैड था कि बीएड था, डोंट कंफ्यूज योरसेल्फ. पेन चलती रहनी चाहिए, दिमाग रोकना मत. MSc Mathematics, B.Ed with experience in CBSE school. Salary as per experience. Apply with resume by 15th May to the principal, Shama Public School, Udaipur. Send I put up the contact number and then also I put up email SPS Udaipur, Sharma Public School को short कर दिया spsudaipur@gmail.com. Where this education related things are there, always this email ID will look realistic, है ना, उसमें आप please create कर देना. The earlier one I did not put up John वाले में because maybe it's not necessary that all these computer operators they might be using. ठीक है, आजकल स्मार्टफोन तो कॉमन हो गया, जियो आया तब से, but then also it's not necessary that everybody is internet friendly, है ना. So in that I did not go for email ID, but इसके अंदर it looks practical, it looks realistic. Is this okay? Situation vacant?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. Okay. एक और है शायद मेरे पास. You need, you're the MD of a company, you need an efficient stenographer. Stenographer is again the typist. है ना? Draft a suitable ad to be published in the Jammu Times. So now the typist के हिसाब से है, this typing speed should be specified. Wanted, experienced, efficient, young, F by 28. Stenographer for leading organization, postgraduate, experience, typing speed 40 WPM, word per minute, shorten speed 120 WPM. या अगर shorten speed if you can't remember, skip it off. मत सोचना कि मैं कुछ भूल रहा हूँ. Fluent in English, good communication skill, knowledge of computers essential, salary best in the industry. Term change कर दिया. Apply with resume by 21st September to the MD, Trust Enterprise. Contact number and email ID has been given. Email trustenterprise.md because उसी को करना था. Try to put up such realistic type of email IDs, and email IDs will always be counted as one. So if you feel that you have over exited the word limit, overused the word limit, so you can skip the complete address. You can just say contact number दे सकते हो और send details to and give the email ID. अगर आपको लगता है कि yes एड्रेस बड़ा हो गया मेरा, SV रोड जम्मू तो ठीक है छोटा सा था, but if you feel that you have overused the word limit in matter and all those things, you can cut short the things by skipping the address and only putting up the email ID. Is it okay? So that
Yes, sir.
all such things you have to decide at that moment कि क्या कैसे आपको लिखना है, and these things you will be able to decide only when that rough draft is there in front of you, you know, because when you start writing straight away there are chances that ये age and gender and qualification आप भूल जाओ. Wanted stenographer for managing for Trust Enterprise, he or she should have typing speed of 40 words per minute and the candidate should be female around 28. वैसे अगर ऐसे लिखो तो समझ में आ जाएगा कि बच्चे ने सोचा नहीं था, he was confused, and when your confusion is analyzed, yes, same way there are chances your marks can also get deducted. इस चीज को प्लीज दिमाग ध्यान में रखना. Maybe one more for today if I have. देखता हूँ. Yeah, maybe the last advertisement for today for situation vacant. The other will finish off to continue tomorrow. Now the hotel GM needs 2 receptionists, not one, for 2. Yes. Now read this advertisement, the solution carefully. Required at Sands Hotel Limited, Delhi. 2 females for the post of receptionist. Graduate, beautiful, smart female below age of 25 preferred. Knowledge of English with effective communication skill. Remuneration best in the industry. Now in this, a new type of applying for this job. Walk-in interview रखा है. No phone calls. No sending of the details. Straight way, come in the scheduled time and the date. Walk-in interview on 21st September from 10 a.m. onwards. कहाँ पे आना है? In Sands Hotel, Chandni Chowk, New Delhi 2. Is this solution clear?
Yes, sir.
Minimum words, maximum information we have given. Now, if you now just read this again and just tell me if anything is used unnecessarily or something, some word or words have been used unnecessarily. Just reread it. Janbooz, I'm showing you this to make you realize don't use or repeat unnecessary things.
Sir, New Delhi 2.
Why New Delhi 2 जरूरी नहीं है, बड़ा शहर है.
Sir, ऊपर लिखा है.
Now I'll tell you, I'll give answer to you. Suppose resonance requires staff. Suppose, ठीक है? Suppose assume करो resonance Delhi center में requirement है. But where are the tests and the interviews and FTPs conducted? At Kota, head office. समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Got the reply to your answer? चलो. Anything else which you feel is irrelevant or not to be used? जिसके आपके literally marks कटेंगे एग्जाम में.
Emails.
Yes. See this word females has been repeated. One female, the one time the female has been used, the other female is repeated unnecessarily. Required at Sands Hotel Limited, Delhi, 2 females for the post of receptionist. ठीक है वहाँ पे. Graduate, beautiful, smart females below age of 25 preferred. इसकी जरूरत क्या है? Smart female लिखने की क्या जरूरत है? You can have easily written 2 smart, beautiful, 2 graduate, beautiful, smart females below 25. लिख सकते थे? So you could have skipped the use of female which has been repeated. This is what I wanted to. I hope it is clear now. Rest things are okay. अगर आपको कुछ ऐड करना ऐड करो, डिलीट करने डिलीट करो. But this is what I am specific. Don't reuse or repeat the word unnecessarily. If you repeat unwanted word in realistic world, you have to pay for each and every word. So you'll be paying unnecessarily from your pocket for this word. And exam point of view, you'll have to bear the expenses because marks will be deducted. So this is all where advertisement for the situation vacant column is concerned. Tomorrow we'll take up the other advertisements. Situation wanted, house for sale, house for purchase, house on rent, missing persons, missing pet, 2-wheeler for sale, या 4-wheeler for sale, and finally matrimonial. So these are the other advertisements that we'll take up tomorrow. So this is all for today from my side. Hope the things are clear and understood. Everyone. Who wants this English group link? कौन से group की चाहिए link चाहिए? I have not made any group beta. One WhatsApp group is there of IPPA batch. Maybe admin है दूसरे, somebody has made this group. In fact, they have added me. So you can contact maybe this Kushagra or other students who are there in the class. if you're not in that particular group of IP. In fact, I have not made any group of English from my side. Is it okay? Poco M2 Pro. This was your query over here. So all for today from my side. Take care, keep safe, be healthy, and see you again tomorrow. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, beta. Thank you very much.